Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the paper size of the document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the document that you are interested in. Click on the this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find this page setup section in the middle of the screen and click on it. Then you should select the paper size section by clicking on it. Here, as you can see, you can choose from a bunch of sizes, as you can see, ranging from the letter size to the B4, B5 sizes. So you need to select the one that suits your preferences. Simply click on that one, and then if you go back, your paper will be organized in that way. But in order to see the changes, you need to tap on this print layout section. So now the changes appear at this page using this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.